Hey guys, welcome back to Amsam Fam. Where are we heading today, guys?
Fogama'A!
Fogama'A, or as we like to call it, Hidden Beach.
I've been trying not to go off the deep end. I don't think you wanna give me a reason. I've been trying not to go off the deep end. I don't think you wanna give me. I've been trying not to go off the deep end. I don't think you wanna give me a reason. I've been trying not to go off the deep end. I don't think you wanna give me.
So walking through here, you have to be a little bit careful. Have kids stay with adults because there's some dogs that are usually not a big problem, but they can be a little aggressive. So if you have the kids stay close to the adults, then they'll be a little safer.
When you get to the top of the hill, it kind of forks here. So Hadley is taking the left trail, like she should. So yeah, at the bottom of the hill, it forks again. Do not go straight. Go to the left. This is the way to the beach.
He took a few tumbles.
Papaya tree. Keep up. Here we go.
This is beautiful.
Yeah. awesome day here at Hidden Beach, Fogama'A. But it's time to head home, right?
Yeah.
Oh,
I'll stay here for a million years.
I know. This is gotta be our favorite beach here. Thanks for coming along with us. What should they do, Holden?
Try it.
Give it a try. If you come out to American Samoa, or if you're here already, follow those directions we gave you and come on out here.
Press that like button and subscribe to Ransom Fan. And if you want to see more of Hadley's videos, go to Missy Hadley.